Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 48 from this stable and light platform ELUSDT.com. If you want to know info about the platform, click this, and if you want to recharge from here, and if you want to withdraw from here, and if you want to receive money to withdraw after deposit from here. The withdraw every 24 hours everyone. If you want to recharge in this light platform, copy this link and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance, and send the money to this address, and after that click recharge completed. Like we see everyone, minimum deposit in USDT 10 USDT and in TRX 130. After you recharge, don't forget click recharge completed. I will show you info about the platform. Like we see everyone, minimum deposit in this light platform 10 USDT or 130 TRX, and the daily income from 60 to 55. If you deposit from 10 to this number, daily will withdraw 6, and if you deposit from this number to this number, daily will withdraw 7, and if you deposit from this number to this number, will withdraw every day 8. And all this info everyone, there are VIP 10 in this light platform. I will go to withdraw now. When you want to withdraw from this light platform, put the amount here and the address wallet, your wallet, TRC20, and the password here and click show. Minimum withdraw in USDT 0.6, like we see everyone, and TRX 5 TRX. We'll put the info out and show you. Like we see everyone, this is my withdraw number 48, and the withdraw arrived directly. Like we see everyone, I withdraw in TRX. I will go to Trust Wallet and show you everyone. Like we see, this my withdraw arrive in 1 second everyone. This time and this amount. I will show you member my withdraw in this light platform. See more. Watch everyone. Watch. There is all that. See the time. Begin the platform. And this is my withdraw today. Don't forget everyone, subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platform like ELUSDT, and you will see link register with details in the description. Or for any question, join my WhatsApp group or Telegram group and ask me to learn you how to work in this light platform. And I will give you 5 for the first deposit in this light platform. Good luck everyone.